Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. As you guys can see, let me see if you guys can see. Yes, I have two boxes here. Super excited. It's going to be a double unboxing. Anyway, before we even get into the unboxing, I know that's what you guys are here for, to see what I got and everything. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, join the family, and also please do not forget to turn on your notifications so you're aware of every time I post a new video. Okay, guys? And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for your continuing support. Thank you for always being here. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for just being you. All right, guys. So I know why you guys are here. So let's get, without any further ado, let's get into this double unboxing. Woo! All right, guys. So like I stated, we have double unboxing. Okay. So as you can see, both of these items actually came from Macy's. And I'm not even going to take any more of your time. Let's start with the first box. Can you guys get what I got? Can you guess what it is? Can you guess what it is? All right. So it looked like you probably might be able to guess. Both of these items are from actual Coach. I ordered, I had to. Coach is my love. And you see, this is the one thing, honestly, before we even get into the bag. This is the one thing where I don't like ordering from Macy's, guys. Look how my bag came. One sheet that's not even that strong at all in the box. Okay, so hopefully my bag is not damaged, and sorry for this mess of the box, but anyway, so yes guys, I had to order this. As you guys know, I did do a giveaway, my first actual 1,000 subscriber giveaway. This was the bag that I actually gave away to one of my amazing subscriber by the username SML80. So she did get this, but in the red orange color. So I did pick this up from Macy's. This is kind of like in the peach color, but guys, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this because guys, look how the bag came, guys. Look at it. Hold on. Let me see if you guys can see. Look how, like the one that came from Saks. Yeah, I think I'm gonna return this, guys. So the one that came from Saks actually looked way better than this one. Guys, look at the wrinkle. Oh, let me see if I can focus. Look at this guy. It looks so dried. I'm not even sure if this is a return item or not. But guys, this bag looks so wrinkled. Look at that. Look at the bottom. Guys, this might be going back. Anyway, so this is the soft tabby. Let's open the inside. Okay, the inside is actually stuff and everything. So I guess that's a good thing. But this is the Coach tabby, the soft tabby, as I stated. But guys, I don't think I'm gonna keep this bag, honestly speaking, because this bag looked like it needs significant help. Look at the top, guys. I don't even know what is this mark right here. Can you guys see it? Like this little thing right here? Yeah, this might be returning because guys, I understand with like the leather and stuff like that, but guys, this leather look like it's not smooth at all. Like, and the thing is that if I didn't do the other giveaway from Nordstrom, I'd have been like, okay, maybe this is, sorry guys, I'd have been like, maybe this is how it's supposed to look, but this is not how it's supposed to look, guys. This thing look like it's cracked, like literally, like the wrinkleness of this. Look at this, guys. You guys can see it. The other one that I gave my for the giveaway look way better than this. Like this look like it need significant conditioning, and I don't even know if that's even going to help it out. So this might be a return, guys. So yeah, but I wanted to add the soft tabby to my collection, but this, yeah, I don't think I'm keeping this, guys. And I got it for such a great price, guys. I think this was I got this for like $177 from Macy's. Yeah, I got this for $177 because it was on sale. I'm not sure if it's still on sale, but oh yeah, guys, this is going back because even the end. Let me see. You see like the mark right here? There's like a mark, like a dark mark right here. This look like it's been sitting or something, as you guys can see. Look, see the mark right here? Yeah, this is being returned. I'm not keeping this. Anyway, let's get into the second bag. Let me get my handy dandy box opener. So that one is getting returned, guys. Let's open the second item. Hopefully this one looks way better than that first one. And guys, look how they put my I can't with Macy's. So they just put my bag like this in here without stuffing it or anything. So it literally is like, okay. Anyway, at least this, let's see. Hopefully this came good, guys. So I think you guys probably already know what bag this is. Yes, guys. So I did pick up this beauty again. This is the Pillow Madison in the 18. You guys know I already have the black one, the green one, and then I did pick it up in this petunia color, which is basically pink. I did decide to pick it up in this beauty right here. This one looks way better than the first unboxing, guys. But let's just take a look because, yeah, this look way better, guys. Yeah, this is in way better condition. I don't see any damages. Everything is still wrapped up. This look like it's brand new. Let's just make sure if there's anything. The only thing I see, you guys can see, I don't know if it's like the glue or something. It looked like it is of the bag, but I do see like a little white right here. If you guys can see it. Hold on, let me focus it. There's like a little white right here, but I'm not sure because it looked like, can you guys see it? Sorry. Let me position it. It looked like the tab right here is trying to, I don't know if it's the glue of that because it looked like that's probably what it is. Because over here sit really flat. Let me see. You see this edge right here? That sit really flat. But this one, this edge look like it's a little bit like protruding out or something. Look like it's like not laying flat. So that's the only thing I see on here. Let's see the front. So we're kind of invested to getting this bag together. All right, guys. So the front looks really good. I don't see anything else that's here. There's really no mark. All right. And obviously the handles are closed. So let's open here. Yeah, this looks way better. Yeah, this look way better. Okay. So this one is a keeper. Let's see. Yeah, this one is a keeper because this looks way better. The only thing is just this little part, like I was showing you guys, it looked like it's wanting to like stand up or something. Hello. Sorry, guys. Can you guys see it? I think that's like the only issue right here. Let's see. That's it, really. And it looked like, let me see. Yeah. So right here, can you guys see it? This little tab right here. I think that's really the only issue. But this one, I think I got this because the retail price for this is $3.95, and I got this for like 100. I think it was like $150. That's how much I picked this up from Macy's. So I'm okay with this one. Definitely okay with this one. It looks really good. Barely anything on there. But the other one, the other bag, the self tabby, this one right here, because these are the two beauties that I picked up. So this is the Pillow Madison 18 in the petunia color, aka pink. And then I did pick up the soft tabby, which is this one right here. But this one is going back because it has like stain, like you see the dark mark right here. I don't know if it was like I don't know if it was like maybe one of the ones that they put on display. I don't know what's going on, but this is getting returned, guys. I'm so super sad about that because I really do want this in my collection. But you can, it's too much. Look at all this long line right here. and then look at the base right here, and then the top, this little, like this, it feels so dry on the hands, and there's like a little mark right here. Yeah, it's too much going on with this bag, honestly speaking. And as you guys can see, you see like the sides right here. Let's see. Yeah, so this one is getting returned, and then this one, I'm probably keeping this one because this one is actually in very good condition. Like I showed you, just this little tab right here, but I think it's just like right there. But everything else is good on this. Anyway, guys, so as we can see, sometimes unboxing doesn't go the way it's supposed to go. So one of them is getting returned, the other one is getting kept. And that's how I usually go. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.